examine the sentence to measure the English liquid. The skill of someone who is not a native English speaker. TOEFL test for main skill in English, listening, reading, speaking, and writing. TOEFL atau Test of English as a Foreign Language adalah ujian yang dirancang untuk mengukur kemampuan berbahasa Inggris seseorang yang bukan penutur asli bahasa Inggris. TOEFL juga menguji 4 keterampilan utama dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang pertama yaitu mendengarkan atau listening, yang kedua yaitu membaca atau reading, dan yang ketiga yaitu berbicara atau speaking, dan yang terakhir yaitu menulis atau writing. The following are tips and tricks for taking the TOEFL reading comprehension. Number 1, focus on keywords. When reading text on TOEFL reading comprehension, don't read the entry text because you will run out of time read by skimming and focusing on keywords. The keywords in question are always verbs, noun, or adjective. Mulailah kita untuk membaca pertanyaan terlebih dahulu, kemudian kita membaca skimming dan mencari jawabannya pada teks yang tersedia. Karena TOEFL reading comprehension ini tidak akan menanyakan sesuatu yang di luar teks. Number 2, reading practice using a timer. A timer or time marker is a good tool to use when practicing, because when taking the TOEFL test, you will be given limited time. If you are not used to it, you might not be able to complete the TOEFL test. The processing time will run out before you finish your reading. Kemudian kamu bisa mulai dengan mencari latihan soal TOEFL dengan kunci jawaban dan pembahasan atau penjelasannya. Lalu kamu latihan untuk mengerjakan dengan waktu yang terbatas. Setelah selesai mengerjakan, lalu cek jawabanmu di kunci jawaban dan pahami pembahasannya. Number 3, pay attention to the multiverse in multiple choice. Multiple choice will not always provide answer that match what is in the text. In some multiple choice options, you might see the answer you are looking for. However, it turns out that the choice in incorrect information or even contradicts what is in the text. Biasanya pengecoh tersebut menggunakan modifier untuk mengubah makna dari suatu adjektif, noun, dan lain sebagainya yang menjadi kata kunci. Number 4, have a vocabulary. Regarding academics, the texts contained in the TOEFL test are texts that are usually academic in nature, so the vocabulary contained in them is also academic. Number 5, understand words, parts, and apply them to know vocabulary. Maybe you will read vocabulary that you didn't recognize before. However, you can still question possible meaning of the vocabulary, namely by understanding parts or words that are applied to vocabulary that you don't know. 10th explanation of 5 tips and tricks for doing TOEFL reading comprehension. Test question one on the main case in taking this test is to have high focus and be calm. Even though you have to practice according to limited time, don't rush this test. Understand the question and multiple choice